2024, and this is another special moment, not only for this country of France, but also for us other Olympians that's here, representing the United States of America.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. I used to play a little basketball, but I wasn't good.
Why are you lying, DT? Don't listen.
Everybody ready?
Do you mind before the show and after?
Team USA, we are on the boat.
Yes, sir.
But our dressing is like
What's up, Team USA? This is Noah Lyles, fastest man in the world.
We're here at the opening ceremonies. Go Team USA!
Woo! Being 16 years old, just enjoying the moment, staying in the moment, because you never know if this can happen again.
Go Team USA!
Super excited to be here, man.
We're so excited. Be sure to tune in to see all your favorite athletes.
I got some people talking about they gonna beat me in ping pong 21-0.
First word that comes to mind is blessed.